Hello everyone, today we are going to study about heart walls. Now, the heart consists of three walls. The outer one is pericardium, the middle one is myocardium, and the innermost layer is endocardium. Now, let us first study the pericardium. Now, you can see pericardium has further many layers, so it is pericardium is divided superficially into two more layers. The first one is parietal pericardium. This is the outer parietal pericardium, and the inner of the pericardium is visceral pericardium. This is the visceral pericardium. Now the outer parietal pericardium has two further layer: outer fibrous layer and inner serous layer. Outer fibrous layer is attached with diaphragm. Outer fibrous layer of pericardium is attached with diaphragm. It protects heart from overstretching. This outer fibrous layer protects heart from overstretching, and the layer next to fibrous layer is serous layer. Inner serous layer of parietal pericardium is made up of mesothelium, and this mesothelium possesses certain epithelial cells which secrete the pericardial fluid. Now what is this pericardial fluid? Pericardial fluid is the fluid secreted by epithelial cells of inner serous layer, which is inculcated, which is present in pericardial space, and this pericardial space is the space between outer parietal pericardium and inner visceral pericardium. This inner visceral pericardium is also known as epicardium, and it lines surface of myocardium, which is the next layer to it. It possesses flattened epithelial cells also. So this was all about pericardium. Now let's move to the myocardium. Myocardium is the middle layer of heart wall. This is the middle layer of heart wall. It is made up of cardiac muscle fibers. So myocardium is made up of cardiac muscle fibers. Okay, now it forms the bulk of the heart. This myocardium forms the bulk of the heart, and it is responsible for the pumping action of a heart. That means the pumping action of the heart is done by which wall? This myocardium wall. Okay, it contains three type of muscle fibers. The first muscle fiber forms the contractile unit, and what this contractile unit constitute of? It constitute of cardiac muscles. And the second muscle fiber which is present in the myocardium, or which myocardium makes, is pacemaker. And what is this pacemaker? Pacemaker is made up of P cell which form the SA node, which is present in the right atrium at the upper level. Okay, at the upper right portion. Now the conducting system of heart, which consists of Purkinje fibers, bundle of His, and many other things, is constituted under conductive system, and this conductive system transmits the impulse throughout the heart. So this was all about myocardium and the muscle fibers present in the myocardium. Now let me come to the innermost layer of the heart, that is endocardium. This endocardium is thin as well as smooth. You can see it is very thin. Endocardium is thin, and it is smooth also. It is glistening membrane. Glistening, it is shining. It possesses single layer of endothelial cells. You can see these are the endothelial cells, and there is a single layer of endothelial cells. So this was all about the layers of heart. So let me recall all the layers. The outer layer is pericardium, which has two further layer: parietal pericardium and inner visceral pericardium. Outer parietal pericardium is divided into fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. This provides the heart. This is connected with the diaphragm and protects hearts from overstretching. This layer, serous layer, secretes pericardial fluid in the pericardial space, which is present between outer parietal pericardium and inner visceral pericardium. Now after this parietal pericardium, we have pericardial space where pericardial fluid is present, which reduces the friction between the heart muscles or heart layers. Then we have epicardium, which is the visceral layer of serous pericardium or inner pericardium, we can say. Now after that we have myocardium, which has muscle fibers, contractile units, as well as conducting systems. It is responsible for the pumping action. And the last one is endocardium, which also goes with the blood vessel. So this was all about the heart wall.